Is your dishwasher giving you either error code F06 or H20? Well, they both mean the same thing. There's an issue with the water supply going into your machine. So let me show you how you can recognize this error and what to do about it. So first things first, how do you know your dishwasher is actually showing you error code F03? Well, if your dishwasher has a digital display, it will show you it numerically. However, many dishwashers don't have that digital display and can only show you through a series of lights. Now, to decipher these lights, you can watch my Understanding Dishwasher Error Codes by clicking here. Now, if it's not evident so far, error code F06 is only relevant to Indesit and Hotpoint machines. However, the advice in this video will still be relevant if you have a dishwasher with the same problem. Before I begin though, if you need assistance with anything mentioned in this video, the best place to go is the Hotpoint Dishwasher Error Code support page. This page has everything you need to know about Hotpoint dishwasher errors, how to read them, and what to do about them. So error code F06 or H20 means there's a water inflow problem with your dishwasher. Basically, water isn't getting into the machine. Now, there are a number of things that can cause this, but the number one culprit is your water inlet tap being in the closed position. Here's an example of a water inlet tap that you might have in your home. This connects your water piping to your dishwasher and is often hidden behind the dishwasher itself or in a nearby cupboard. Now, if you've recently moved your dishwasher or installed a new one, you may have forgotten to turn this into the open position, or you may have knocked it so that it's closed. So the first thing we need to do is make sure the inlet tap is in the open position, and that means getting to the tap itself. Now, where your tap is will depend entirely on the layout of your kitchen. You may be fortunate enough, like me, to have your tap in a nearby cupboard, which means checking it is very easy. If, however, you can't find it anywhere, it's probably behind your dishwasher, and that means sliding it out. Now, before removing a dishwasher, you need to check as to whether yours is fitted or freestanding. If yours is fitted, there are a couple of steps you need to do. You need to remove a couple of screws on either side and maybe the base plate too. But as mine is freestanding, I can slide it straight out. Now, dishwashers aren't a particularly heavy appliance when compared to something like a washing machine, so if you think you can move it out on your own, then do so if you can do it safely, but don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, safety first. Top tip for you though, I like to put something down on the floor just to protect it. You can use a sheet of vinyl, a sheet of cardboard, or in my case, a sheet of hardboard. Another tip for you as well, don't pull the dishwasher out too far, as this could disconnect the hoses from the back of the machine. Once you have access to the tap, you want to make sure it's in its open position so the water can flow through. Now, assuming that's not the problem, the next thing to do is have a look at the hose itself and what you're looking for, any kinks or bends that might restrict the flow of the water. If everything's good, then turn the power back on and carefully slide the machine back in, again taking care not to kink the hose or disturb the inlet tap. So there you go, those are the most common causes for error code F06 and H20. If however you're still getting those error codes, then you're going to have to call out an engineer. And to do that, or to live chat with one of our service team, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.